This exercise is the single arm suspension cyclist squat. So for this exercise, we need two pieces of equipment. We need the suspension straps and also a slant board. If you don't have a slant board, we can use squat wedges, or we can also use a weight plate, maybe a 25-pound or 45-pound weight plate. And what we can do is just elevate our heels on the plate to get the same effect as the slant board. So for today, I'm just going to use the slant board. So to begin the exercise, we're going to grab the suspension straps. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to kind of feed one strap through the other strap once, circle it around twice, maybe 3 times. And then just make sure it's tight and secure and hold on to one of the handles. So we're gonna get into position. So we're just holding on with the one strap. And for the cyclist squat, you wanna keep your stance of your feet quite narrow. It's much narrower than a traditional squat. So our feet close together, we're going to keep a vertical torso the whole time. So proud chest, shoulders back. And a good starting position is to have your elbow pinned in at your side. That should be a good distance away for the straps. So take a big deep breath. We're going to come down as low as we possibly can. If you can get your hamstrings right to your calves, that is a great depth for this exercise. If not, just kind of work your way towards that. And then you can use your single arm just for a little assistance if you need to pull yourself up out of the bottom position. So again, big deep breath. And then using your upper body if you need to. If you don't, that's great. We'll work towards just a body weight cyclist squat without the straps. So what I really like about this variation is just the depth and full range of motion that you get in the squat. Some people have limited ankle mobility, which holds them back from getting the proper depth in a regular squat. And you may find that with the narrow stance and the depth that you get, you may feel this in your quads even more than a normal squat. So again, this variation was the single arm suspension cyclist squat.